Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. What I'm doing right now is, I was practicing this the other day and came up with some butterflies and like pinwheels and things. But how I did it was I used, this is actually a sketch, perforated sheets, acid-free, 75 sheets, 12 by 9, premium drawing paper. And I actually got this on a clearance for 75 cents at Walmart. I could not believe it. Very excited about that. However, it's a good, nice, thick paper. So what I'm doing, let me get it out of the way. Let's put it right here. Is I take a sheet right here. I've already pulled one out. It's thicker than regular paper. And these are my homemade alcohol inks. I made some time ago before I started buying alcohol inks. I did them with the markers, the, Sharpies. I'm going to just be spritzing colors on them. I'm going to start with a purple right here. Actually, this is one to do. Nice. And let's see, this is red. Let's go. There's that gold. Let's not do the gold yet. Should have got two pieces out. This is, I believe this was pink. Let's go with the pink and the purple. Oh yeah, very pretty. Loving them pinks and purples. And that's one side. I always try to let that dry a little. Got the paint going right here. Get a little bit more color. There we go. Very pretty. Now I'm going to do the back. And do more pink on the back. And then come back with the purple. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is put a little red on there because it's a darker pink really. It doesn't have to be really red. A little bit, but I want a little bit darker. There we go. And then let that dry a tad. And let's put on, that's black, we don't want that. In there. This is a yellow. I'm thinking of yellow, I'm thinking of blue. Oh, there's two shades of blue. This is a pretty, I think this was light blue. Okay, let's do the purple on the back here. You can see me or not. I like to make sure to get the corners and the edges very nice. This, and I'll probably go back and hit the back with some more purple. And I might even hit some more pink on there again. So there's our first sheet. However, I think I'm going to go ahead and grab another one. Alright, so I gave this piece a chance to dry a little bit. So, still not dry though. Put that right there. Grab out another one. Let's see, go right here. Now, let's see what we want to go with. I'm going to want to try the yellow. Yeah, you see I go over it quite a bit in certain areas so that it really pops with the darker yellow until it dries. You know, part of me wants to go green, part of me wants to do this lake blue, yellow and blue. What does that make? Green. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. There we go. See, because now we got green where the yellow was, but we can re-hit it again. Now these I did the other day. I did all kinds of colors. Just kept squirting and squirting, and like I said, you can make flowers, you can make pinwheels, you can make butterflies, all kinds of decorations for cards, or even a card out of these here. And it's so pretty, you know? Alright, so this side's drying. Try to hold it up in front of the fan a little bit. Here. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. Oh, that's very pretty. Very pretty. Super pretty. After getting some bleed through over here on the wax paper. I will tell you one thing too. The wax paper ends up dyeing as well. Tie-dyeing or whatever you want to call it, because it's pretty as well. I think I'm gonna put a little purple over here to help blend this purple I got in there on there. There we go. Oh, I love that side. Very pretty. Pretty, pretty. Oh yeah. Super pretty. They're so pretty, these pastel-y colors you get from these diluted alcohol inks. They're not near as strong as a regular alcohol ink that you buy, because I have those too, and I have compared them. Now this one's got a lot of purple. This side's got pink and purple, reddish pink purple. This side I think it needs a little something. I'm thinking I'm going to go in with a little bit of the darker blue here and see what we get. Right here. Oh yeah. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Oh, thank you for joining me. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye now.